In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce hierarchical relationship field. This type of field is particularly useful when you want to define a logical relationship between a contact and an account, which helps streamline data management and improve reporting capabilities. So let's dive in and get started. First, ensure that you're logged into your Salesforce account and head over to the Home tab. It's a good starting point that gives you a central location to access various functionalities. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the settings. It's usually represented by a gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking here takes you into the administrative area of Salesforce, where you can customize and manage your Salesforce instance. Next, you'll need to click on Open Advanced Setup. This option is pivotal as it grants access to a broader range of customization tools, beyond what typical configuration settings offer. Once you're in this setup area, look for the Object Manager tab and give it a click. The Object Manager is essential because it lists all the objects you can modify or interact with. In Object Manager, you'll see an array of standard and custom objects. Here, locate and click on the Account object. This choice is important as you are going to establish a hierarchical relationship between the account and its associated contacts. Now, within the account object, look for the Fields and Relationships option. This is where you'll manage all fields relevant to the account object, and it's here we're going to create that special relationship field. Go ahead and click on New to start the process of creating a new field. Select Lookup Relationship from the list of field types. A lookup relationship is a field type in Salesforce that allows us to reference information from another object, which is exactly what we need for a hierarchical setup. After selecting it, press Next to proceed. Now, you'll specify what this lookup relationship will pertain to. Choose Contact since you want to establish a connection between the account and the contacts associated with it. Hit Next again to continue. Enter a field label and field name that best describes the relational data you're working with, like parent account contact, for easy identification later. After detailing the necessary field information, click Highlight to ensure this field stands out within your page layout. You're nearly done. Simply click Next through any remaining configuration screens, reviewing your settings as you go. Finally, hit Save to create your new hierarchical relationship field. Your Salesforce objects are now positioned to leverage powerful data connections, enhancing the richness and utility of your organizational data landscape. That's it for today's session. Creating a Salesforce hierarchical relationship field is a straightforward but transformative task that can significantly optimize how you handle account-based contacts within Salesforce. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.